Good morning. So this morning I'm gonna make us like a simple little breakfast while we're camping. You can see my little camp outfit today. Sorry for all the background noise, you know, everyone's like getting ready. So I'm just going to make some food.
Baby tummin.
Ooh, I'm gonna put some, grab some sourdough too.
Ooh. Wow.
Yeah. I'm gonna start doing some dishes now. Yeah, like standing under this is not it. Like it needs like poles or something.
It's kind of low.
Right? Too. But look, if it was like this, it would be more bearable.
Yeah.
So I feel like it needs like poles or something to stand it up. Like
yeah,
this. Right? Then it would be more bearable.
I see what it does. Yeah. It's so low compared to where you
so
just have,
low.
Yeah. Right now, where it's at, it makes me feel like I'm gonna walk and hit my head on it.
Yes, exactly that. Exactly that. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. And I'm like, wow, I'm ready.
I love that. Yeah, I just started using stainless steel because they say that it's not toxic. So I've been having to like learn how to cook on it, and I'm always like someone that cooks on high heat. So I'm like, no, you have to like cook on low heat.
Yeah, that's been hard for me too. Completely agree. I've fucked up so many non-stick or like little stainless steel pans like that.
Yes. All right, so the kitchen is all clean and packed up.
This part doesn't flip, so it doesn't. Oh, hold on.
Forgot I have to take down my canopy. Majestic.
listen. That
Way, like which highway you guys are gonna go?
We had a thing for that.
get up there.
We're gonna start locking up my dog now. Okay. Yes. Look at all our amazing
Exactly.
All right, so everyone is packed up and we're all leaving, and thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that great stuff, and I'll see you next week.